Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this US pole 70 watt high pressure sodium canopy light, or parking garage light, or whatever you want to call this thing, overpass, underpass, whatever light. It hangs from a canopy. So anyway, here we have the front of the fixture, or the bottom, whatever you want to call it. And I'm outside today because it's a very nice day, so we're going to do these videos out here. As you can tell, very nice day. Anyway, back to the main focus of this video, the fixture itself. We can see the US pole logo right here, and the very interesting reflector assembly. So, there's the main part of the fixture. Now, we're going to pull this up here so you can see how they mounted it. They put these eye bolts in each of the corners, and they had chains that probably came out about a foot. They were at a triangle here on each side, and were of course a little bit off center to accommodate for the weight of the ballast on one end. And here you can also see the waterproof fitting. The cord is original. It used to have a twist-to-lock socket on the end, but I replaced it with a normal one. Anyway, I had a whole bunch of these fixtures. They all were 400 watt metal halide. This one, as you can tell, I converted to 70 watt high pressure sodium. And I also have one other 400 watt metal halide one still. All the other ones I recycled and kept the ballasts for future projects, because I had a whole bunch of these things. So like I said, I have this one and an original one left. Anyway, I'm going to take these two screws out here so we can take a look at the inside. Okay, so I got both of the screws out now, and I want to show you the interesting way that this thing opens up. So, open it up, you'll see the interesting hinge mechanism they have here to help bring it out and away from the fixture. Now, of course, if it was hanging from the ceiling, it'd probably be hanging like this, but very interesting and nice design. That allows the gasket here to go all the way around without having hinges on the outside. Very nice design. So here we can see the original information for the fixture. It was 400 watt metal halide, like I was saying earlier, and these fixtures required a reduced envelope lamp. And out of all the ones that I had, only one fixture had a reduced envelope bulb in it that was probably original. And all the others have the standard big regular 400 watt metal halide envelope bulbs. And the one fixture that I do still have has that giant bulb in it, which is really hard to get in there. You have to like push this out and fit it in there, but we'll take a look at that in a different video. Anyway, it used to be for 277 volt, but they all had multi-tap ballasts in them, which was fantastic. As you can tell here, I just updated the info. Now it's 70 watt high pressure sodium. This also has a multi-tap ballast, and I currently have it wired for 120. We can also see the US pole sticker here, UL listed, and let's take a look at the bulb itself. This is a older Philips Alto bulb. You can tell it's an older one because it has the green dimple on the top. Philips doesn't really do that anymore. Let's see where the etch is. It used to be down here. There you go, you can kind of see it. It's all faded away now. I'll just set the bulb over because I'm going to open up the fixture so you can see the ballast and everything. Here we can see the coating, just kind of like a sprayed on black finish coating. Very nice coating though. I like how they did their logo. That's pretty neat. Anyway, I'm going to take this reflector assembly out so we can take a look at the ballast compartment. Okay, so I got the reflector assembly out, and here we can see the inside of the fixture. We can see, like we saw on the back, that white covering. This is just pretty much a hole to fill it in. It just fills in the hole there. I think that's where the power they usually thought it would go, but with this reflector, there's literally no room for the power to go out in that area, so it was like a mistake on their part, and they just filled it in with these things and then drilled brand new holes over here to let the power out. So that was a design flaw. All of them had that, these little gasket plugger things. You can also see where the eye bolts come in. There's no nuts on the sides and the inside here. That's because this back is pretty thick, so they just threaded it and put it right in there. Works out pretty good. So here we have the 70 watt high pressure sodium ballast. Now you can't see the sticker because it's on the other side, but it's an advance ballast. It's one of the old ones that has a yellow sticker on it with their old logo. This is a pretty, no, it might be a newer one actually. Never mind, this is a newer one. I have a whole bunch of old ones too. This is a newer advance, but it's an advance ballast. You see it's multi-tap. Apparently these things were on it. I don't really care for these things, but whatever. Below that we have the starter, and we also have, let's see, yep, there's also a capacitor under there as well on this side that you can't really see. So we have the starter and capacitor under there. And there's the ballast once more, and the socket. Get a different view there. Very nice. So I'm going to put the reflector back in here and the bulb, and we'll see this thing turn on. Okay, so I got it put all back together now, and I'm going to set the camera down right like this, so you can see the arc tube there. I'll see if I can focus it on it. That's about as best as we're going to get. So let me get the extension cord here, and let's plug it in. Oop. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, go in. There we go. You can hear the hum of the ballast. Or maybe the camera picked it up. Very nice hum. Very nice deep orange in the starting of this bulb. So, we'll let it start up and come right back. So the fixture is now at full brightness. And of course it doesn't look too bright because it's daylight outside, but anyway, you can see where the light gets reflected in all the different areas here, how this fixture would be great if used. Of course something just fell on it. How this fixture would be great if it was used in a parking garage or some type of canopy lighting, which is where these things were probably used. Very nice low hum and ballast there. Try to see all the different ways that the light gets reflected. Even gets reflected back this way too. Tries to reflect the light literally everywhere. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of my US Pole 70 watt high pressure sodium canopy or parking garage, whatever I end up putting in the title of this video, light fixture. Hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.